Welcome. If you're concerned about your privacy and want to stop Facebook from accessing your phone's contacts, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to prevent the Facebook app from accessing your contacts on your device. These steps are quick, simple, and will help you take control of your personal information. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you manage all the apps and permissions on your device. Look for the section labeled Apps or sometimes App Management, depending on your phone's make and model. Once you're in the Apps menu, scroll through the list until you find the Facebook app. Tap on it to open the app's settings. Next, look for the Permissions option. This is where you can control what information Facebook is allowed to access on your device. Inside Permissions, you'll see a list of different types of data Facebook might request, like your camera, location, and contacts. Find Contacts in this list and tap on it. Now, you'll see the option to allow or deny Facebook access to your contacts. Select Don't Allow or Deny. This will immediately stop Facebook from accessing your phone's contact list. By following these steps, you're taking an important step to protect your privacy. Facebook will no longer be able to read or upload your contacts from your device. Remember, you can always come back to these settings if you ever change your mind or want to review which permissions you've granted to your apps. If you've already uploaded contacts to Facebook in the past, you might also want to remove them from your account. You can do this by visiting Facebook's website and managing your uploaded contacts in the settings. That's it. You've now successfully prevented the Facebook app from accessing your contacts. For more tips on keeping your information safe, make sure to check out our other guides. Thanks for watching, and take care of your privacy.